Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edwin Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the RTF64X64.SYS blue screen error code message 0x000000D1 that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsem /online /image /restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then next step ay kung paano ba natin dito i-paste. So, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung edit. And then, select paste. And then, press mo lang yung enter. And so, dito makikita mo na yung deployment image servicings and management tool. So, kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay enter lang natin yung sfc /scannow. So, in all small letter lahat and then yung /scannow ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step, close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix RTF64X64.SYS BSOD error code 0x000000D1 in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.